guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit photos in CapCut PC and basically export them as an image later on. So we're just going to select a few pictures like that, and then I'm also going to make them into like this. You don't have to, but I'm just gonna show you guys. Like that. I'm just going to try to make a collage. It's not going to be very pretty because I'm trying to make this fast. And you can crop that stuff later. You can then add in some effects, some filters if you like to as well. And then to export it as an image, you're just going to simply select these three lines, export still frame, and then name the image. This is where your pictures are going to go. Select the resolution as well, and you can also select the format, either JPEG or PNG. You can also import the project here into your media files. Then you're just going to select export. It's going to be in that folder, and as you can see, it's going to be here as well. So yeah, that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!